In this video, I am going to show you a simple two-touch trendline strategy that helps you spot clean entries using pure price action. Let me break down to you step by step on the chart. So guys, ready on the chart, we're on Euro USD. We're going to be starting with Euro USD. And mind the way you can use this strategy on any type of currency pairs, stocks, crypto. So first of all, it's a trendline strategy. This is not just anyhow trendline strategy that you have been taught on YouTube or by every gurus. This is another style, and the first thing you're going to do is to identify the trends using the trend line. So we're going to be using Ray, and now we've set our downtrend trend line with Ray. So if you don't have it, you can just choose it here, select Ray, and now we're going to change it to red, because red is to demarcate selling. And now for the buys, there's not really anything going on in the buys. I can't just drag it like that because this is like a trend line, like this is a candlestick since let's say May, so we don't need it. But the current one is this downtrend, that means it has been selling. And now we're going to go to the 4 hours time frame. We're going to go to the 4 hours time frame. I mostly use this strategy on the 4 hours time frame, but since most people like to trade 1 hour 5 minutes, I'm going to break it down for you in this video. And now we can see a clear movement of the chart. As you can see, the chart is pretty much clean for us here. Now we can draw a trend line. As you can see, the price is buying, is going up, and it has, I think it has not broken through this. So we're going to come back and choose the horizontal array, and we're going to select and put it at this spike here. That's to address the buy. And now we're gonna just like drag it a little bit down here. Okay, so the second touch, you need to make it to be in the support you're putting it, like this button here. You're going to make it, put it on below this support, so that when you want to move it, it's easy for you to find and adjust. Because if you put it like this now, you're going to be looking for it, but you need to put it close to the support, so that it's easy for you to drag when next you want to use the strategy. And now that we've done it, we're going to change the color to green. So now it's in green. As you can see, the price is going down, it's going up, and it's coming down. So if the price breaks through this green, we're going to sell, and if it breaks through this red, we're going to buy. So now let's say the price has broken through this place, we are going to sell. We're going to sell here. We'll sell to like target this place. Then if the price is already coming down, like it's selling, there's going to be like lower lows and lower highs. So once the price is coming down, we're going to also give a steeper trend line. So we'll come to Ray and the steeper trend line. We're just going to drag it here. So the price is going to create a series of, that's just for us to maximize profit. But I think there's not enough movement over here for us to take a trade. So we'll go to the 1 hour time frame and see if we can catch a trade over there. Mind you, we can use this strategy for every type of charts, every type of time frame, every type of pair. It's just you need to master this. And now we can see a clear sell over here. So we're going to bring in a steeper trend line. We call it steeper trend line. So we'll bring it over here from this top and bring it down. This is a steeper trend line. We call it steeper trend line. It will serve as a safety net when you are taking a trade. And one of the best thing of this strategy is that you can exit in profits, even though the market is already like going against what the trade you placed. You can exit in profit. And if you want to learn how to exit the profit, then you need to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be creating more videos on how I exit most of my trading profits in this trend line. I'm also going to change this to red because it's selling. So let me give you an example now. If price is going up, it breaks through this red line and it's going up. Let me change it to green. So if price is going up here, price is buying. What you're gonna do to maximize your profit is you're gonna also bring a steeper trend line, which is your safety net. You're gonna bringing in trend lines like so. This is it. Then we'll change the color to green. Hope you're understanding me. So price is buying. We're going to create, as it's creating more support zones, as it's buying more support or higher highs, we're going to like put in a trend line to support it. We call that our safety net. So if the price wants to reverse, it has gone up and wants to reverse, we know that okay, it has break through this trend line, this steeper trend line. Yeah, it has break through this steeper trend line at this point. We're going to exit the market because we've seen that price has broken through this trend line. But what we're not going to do is so this is our long position. We bought at this point and price has gone up to this position. You are actually in profit. Your trade will have already even been in break even already. If you understand what break even is, that means you're not losing any money. And then price has already broken through this steeper trend that I've created as the support zones of the higher highs is formed. So what we're going to do is once as price breaks through down this place, we're going to exit that trade. That means okay, why we're in profit at this point, but the trade is not going away. Then it comes down there. We still exit in trade. So that's how you exit your trades in profits. So that's why this trend line is very important. It's very important to your trade, because of if you don't master how to take this type of trade, if you don't master how to what is called safety nets, you're not going to know how to take this trade. And that's why you need to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping videos every week. And I know that the way I'm explaining is I'm kind of mumbling, or like I'm not explaining better. I'll try to like improve in my explaining video. This is my first time doing this, so you need to bear in mind with me, but I understand you're getting a lot of things. So let me start again. So we had like 2 trend lines before in the 4-hour time frame. At first 4-hour time frame we had 2 trend lines, and now we can see that price is giving us a short sale. Okay, it was going up. The higher time frame showed that price is selling, but when we're coming down, we saw that in the 4-hour time frame, we saw that price was going up, and that's why this trend line was still here. But now it's giving us a short sale because it has broken through this support zone over here. It has broken through. That means it's going for a sell, and you can see series of lower lows and higher highs, lower lows and higher highs. So we're going to come and get our array over here. We tap on it and we'll bring it down to the nearest resistance zone. Then we'll change the color to where, so you can understand the trend. We change it to where it's selling. So if price breaks out from this red line over here, we are going to buy, and it's close above it, we are going to buy. So if it breaks through this place, we are going to sell. So let me give you a scenario for buy and sell. Now if the price is buying, we are going to create a steeper trend line like this, like a mini, let's call it a mini trend line for the uptrend. But we already have a big trend line for the uptrend, a green one there. Then we'll create a mini one so we can use it to maximize our profit. So now we change it to green, as you can see. So we've bought already. If price can break below this line and it has gone up, you exit the market. That means the price actually coming down, and we don't want to like lose this money. But you can also wait. It can actually come to a support zone and literally go up, but you would have to set your trades to break even. You understand? So this is what we bought. Price at the year, and price has gone up. We set our stop loss. Price has gone up here, and since price has already break through this place, that means it's going up. It breaks through this line, this upper red line over here. Then we'll set it to break even. You can also adjust your stop loss to like in the middle of this place. Then price data went up, you can adjust your stop loss too. But once you see that price is about to break this zone, it has broken this zone like this. Let me turn it to red. Yeah, so you can understand. As you can see, it breaks through this zone. For a reason, I don't know why it's not trading, but I hope you get the gist. Is so as you can see, it's coming down. You exit the market in profit. That's what's the best thing about this channel. So let us do vice versa, the opposite of it. Okay, what the price is going down, keeps on going down, and it breaks below this green trend line, the one of the 4 hours time frame. I'm going to show you how you can also maximize your profits and exit your trading profits. This is just the best thing about this trend line of a thing. It's just the best. This trend line strategy. And one thing about trading is simplicity is the best. It's the best trading in trading. You don't need to complicate. I've tested SMC, ICT, call it. They are so complicated. You would have to wait for a fair value gap. But using this strategy, you'll be making, like, your win rate is going to go up. It's going to soar up. It's going to go up. I don't know what you're waiting for. Most people say they want a complicated strategy to use. Even the biggest forex trader, they all that trade as simplicity. So I don't know why you're still doing ICT or SMT, but everybody, choose what they like, choose what works best for you. But this has working well for me, and I've always enjoyed it. And now, so if price breaks through up below this place, we know that it is selling. So the price is also going to come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. So price is going to come down. So you've seen it. Now price has come down. It was touching, respecting this trend line. So then the trend line started reducing. That means it's going for an aggressive sell. What I'm going to do is going to bring another trend line over here. This is the nearest support zone. We're going to drag it down and bring it down to the nearest resistance. That's for the shorts, for the selling. And as you can see, then also we're going to bring this one here to this nearest one, so everything conforms together. Everything has to be 2 or 3 church points. That's have a 2 or 3 church points, as you can see. So we have a steeper trend line. So for example, price has come down, like we've seen a aggressive sell-off. Price can't go down forever. Price has to go up. For what goes up has to come down, just like a ball. It goes to the ceiling, it comes down. It goes to the ceiling, it comes down. It goes to the ceiling, it comes down. Now price is about to break out. Then it breaks out this zone, yeah, and it started going up. I'm sorry, I'm not the best drawer. I'm not good at arts, but I hope you understand. So we bring our horizontal ray. Since price has broken above this place, we're now going to do a new trend line to the upside. So we'll bring it up here. Yeah. Then I see that there's also there's a support here too. Let's change to green, so we can know what we can use it to identify our trend. We create another horizontal, use another ray to create our uptrend. Then we'll put it here. So now price is going up. Thank God there's only 418. As you can see, price has broken through this place. We've already set our long position. Over here, and you can see price was already going up. Then price decided to break this our green line over here. As you can see, price has decided to break our green line over here. What are we going to do? We're going to exit the trade, or you wait to see some support zone. If you see that's already coming down aggressively, like this, then you have to exit the market. But you're still exiting the market in profits. You can see where we bought. We are still exiting in profit. We would have even set our, our stop loss. We would have set our stop loss already. So we would have set our stop loss already, or it would be at break even. Our stop loss would have been at break even. Our stop loss would have been at break even. So this is just the best strategy ever. I've been doing this every day, and I've been making profit, steady profit. But sometimes It might not go as planned. You know how the market is. The market is always like that. What you planned might not go as planned, but it's part of the game. But this strategy, a lot of popular traders are trading it, and it's actually giving them good profits. But most of them will not say it. They want to teach the complicated one. I'm here about teaching simplicity. Forex is meant to be simple. It's not meant to be hard. It's not meant to be hard. It's not meant to be hard at all. And the best thing about this strategy is we can trade this trend line on any time frame. And if you want me to create a video on the lower time frames, kindly comment, like this video, and subscribe. Comment if you want me to create video on the lower time frames using this strategy. I know I said that I would create a video on this strategy on the lower time frame this video, but it's already 20 minutes already. This video is already 20 minutes long, and I don't want to bore you guys off. But in the next video, I am going to show you how to trade this strategy using the lower time frames, because I know everyone likes to scalp. You like to scalp, you're a scalper, get in and get out of the market, day trader. But by learning this, you can actually do this in the lower time frame. Like, it's actually easy. But comment if you want me to create a video on that, and I'll create a video on that. It's been love. It's your boy Zeke from Zeke Finance, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.